There's some geese over there and stuff. I should have brought some treats down here, because I always feed them something. Usually get about 32 ducks out here. I'm a little fan of these little poop monsters, so they crap everywhere. Yeah, and they crap everywhere, so I'm gonna try to track their attention so I can run all the way up and get them something. So many good stuff here. See, I don't here. Whoa! Damn, that shit is scary. Anyway, so it's pretty hot. So this button. This is the stuff pooping out of the water stuff. When I am happy and fairly do all this kind of stuff, I talk in English. Ooh, grabby. What in the world? Oh, I think that the fish bury themselves in the water. These people here, they're moving. They're over there eating themselves to death, and these people right here are moving. So basically, I can come on this property because they're about to move. So technically, it's not their property anymore because somebody already owns it. So basically, I can. No, I'm not getting over there and doing that stuff. Some good stuff right there. Guys. Quack, 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 quack. Shh. Do this real quick. There's some dog food. And do this. So long with it. Hey, see ya. Hey, Cece, girl. Hey, Papa. Tapas. Alright. This they love a lot. It's really gross. My grandmother eats it. I can't do that. Hey, Papa. Come down the lake with me or stay up here? Hi. No, good. Oh no, where'd they go? Oh, here they are. Come around this side. I can feed you guys better. Where are they going? We can hear they too for me. I gotta say what's up. Okay. Bugs are annoying. Oh. I'm not trying to get out. That's nasty. Ant bed. Okay, guys. Here you go. Oh, here's more. Hopefully I don't get 30 of them because I can't be feeding no 30 ducks. Then I get sad because I don't have enough food for all of them. And they will compete for food. So these are not probably people of them. I crumbled them. Hold on. Sorry. I'm trying to pinpoint which one's the male in this case. He right there is probably the male. And then these are probably girls, and then the one in the middle is probably male. You can tell the ones with the longer necks and defend each other. These people are probably friendly to them. That's the male right there, the one that puts its head down usually, to escape out the other people. So yeah, I'm feeding everybody at the same time. So it's basically a lot of people. See what I mean? See what I mean? There are a lot of competitors out here, and they will compete for food. Get on my nerves sometimes, like for real. Been a couple months since I've fed some. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. I think they're basically mixed in. Oh, these two are, no. They might be just family members, but are competing still for food, so do this. Good, and I'll make sure that everybody else gets the same amount. Some of these people are so concerned about themselves that they don't even get food. They're not really. Oh, I'm gonna stop talking. Okay. He's a loner. That's a she. Do the next. And the males are the ones with the muscular bodies. Like that one right there is one. You can tell these two are not a part of them because of, yeah, he's getting his group back. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ducks I'm feeding right now. I'm engaged. And there's 2, 4, 6, 8 of these, and a couple more of those. So basically, hold on. You guys get the same amount. Gotta feed them at the same time. They will all start fighting over stuff that ain't even worth fighting for. Okay guys, almost done. Wait, no I'm not. Hopefully those people don't come over here and spook my team out. I want the same thing. Okay. I'm trying to pinpoint. There's probably parents in this group. That's obviously the father. Or something. Whoa. I'm gonna stop filming now. Like, for real. I'll be like, whoa.